Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So we are here again for another update. So our last update is about the global dualizations and the global flyover down to where a global has common boundary with Mkporogu. So today I wanted to give you update concerning just Mkporogu, but I noticed that the video is kind of very short because Mkporogu to Oga to Ikulobia is not that big. So today I'm going to be giving you the combined update of both Mkporogu and Oga. So after the Ikulobia tour, I immediately get to Mkporogu. You will notice that whatever you see or saw in Ikulobia is still happening within the Mkporogu axis, though there are some places which I think they said have a common link to Oga from that Mkporogu side that is not connected to this major route, and I think the kind of work is going on there too, but I could not access that location, so I make a full tour about this Mkporogu down to Oga route only. So once you get to Mkporogu, you notice from my video that the same work you see in a club is the same work that's happening around this area. So both sides of the road, some of them have received drainage system, and some have also been able to get a leveling ground for the main road and the rest. But all these places, none have received any form of dualization. So it's just that the gutter, some parts has been completed when it comes to drainage system within this axis. So immediately you enter Oga. Oga looks like that of welcome to Aglo, from Nanka down to Izinano. Nothing is happening within this Oga for now. So but I'll not give a full tour of Oga. So I just kind of get to Oga roundabout, where those machine or car people used to park within that axis, and I noticed that nothing is going on there. So I kind of try to ask some questions if anything is happening after this place, so that I will try to give it all. But the people living around there, even the keke rider that took me there, also confirm that nothing is actually going on after here, that they have not commenced any work like that within Oga. So I have to make a U-turn. So from Mkporogu down to boundary between Oga, something is definitely happening. A lot of construction is going on there. The new system has been completed in some major areas, while from that boundary between Mkporogu and Oga headed to the Oga side, nothing is actually going on there currently. So but the whole thing is that I don't know if it is the same people that is handling from Nanka to Globia, still the same people handling both Mkporogu to Oga. So I don't know, but the only thing I'm seeing currently is that the flyover that is being constructed now is a kind of standing as a delay to the dualization and reconstruction. So I believe that by the time the flyover is completed, some of this slow side will be fast, will pick up very, very fast. So that is my own assertion, so I'm just assuming, I don't know, but from the look of things, we notice that the flyover is actually one of the major things that is delaying the work. So once the flyover is done and dusted, I believe some of the slow places will pick up very fast. So that is what I'm seeing. And I'm not talking about Aglo axis. I'm just mainly focusing on within that Ikulobia and Nanka axis. So, and I believe if they are the one handling both the Mkporogu and Oga side, then it might be also be the cause. So once the flyover is completed, the work, I believe, will pick up. So like I said in my last video about Ikulobia, so I'm not going to be giving any a kind of any review about the road for now. I want to wait until everything is completed, then I will make a full tour and give my final review concerning the whole project. For now, I have not, I don't have any review at all about the route for now, because I hardly come down from the bus to assess the whole thing. But all I can say is that from what I'm seeing so far, some are nice, some need amendment, and some are just manageable. But all I'm praying for is that they will do a marvelous job, not the type they did in Port Harcourt Road in Onitsha. So because that particular work they did in Port Harcourt Road in Onitsha, honestly, I won't lie to you, it's not it at all. It's not it. That road, I'm seeing it as something that will need to be revisited in the next couple of months to come. So it's very, very bad. When you talk about that one, so I'm praying, I'm hoping that this axis will be more durable than that of what we are seeing in the other side of Onitsha. So lastly, I would like to say that for those who might be thinking maybe I'm covering projects that we are kind of supporting one politician or the other. I'm not a politics person, so I'm not even used to it. So the only thing I'm doing is just covering the project. And besides, if you've been in this game of YouTube, you notice that this thing is not an evergreen content. Once the project is done and dusted, it is gone. So we are just covering, to just show you guys the level of work that is going on within the Anambra vicinity. And our plan is to capture the entire Igbo land, or the project going on in the entire Igbo land, give our review, and also if we have any praises or anything, we give to those that deserve praises. But I'll be honest with you guys, for the past 8 years during the tenure of our last governor in Anambra State, what I'm seeing now is much, much better from what I saw in the last administration. So, and that is all I can say about this whole thing. So, before I forgot again, I will be giving my final review once the whole project is done. So kindly do subscribe to the channel to keep updated each time we upload our video. Normally what we do here is just travel content creating, but we are never diverting from it. In short, a lot of travel vlog or travel videos will be coming up very, very soon within this week. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the like button, and don't forget to drop your comments. Don't just watch the video and leave. Try to like the video. Try to drop your comment in case if you have any suggestion, any anything to talk about within concerning our video. So do have a wonderful day, guys, till we meet again in our next video. Peace.